What's up and welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name's Taylor with 907 Fantasy Sports, and let's hop right into it. We got some free squares, we got some discounted plays, we got some plays on Sleeper, we got some plays on Chalkboard, we got some discounts on PrizePicks. So we got a lot to get into. Yesterday, our free play of the day didn't hit because Rudy Gobert is a fraud. Oh, bad beat, but we're back at it today. We're gonna cash big today, so let's hop right into it. But yesterday, like I said, we didn't cash on the free play of the day, but VIP, we still had some winners over there on VIP. If you guys aren't on that, it's Winible.com/907 Fantasy Sports. You can go over there and get on the day pass, the week pass, the month pass, whatever you guys prefer. But we still hit some on VIP yesterday, so it was a good day. But let's hop right back into it. Let's have another day. Let's hit the free play of the day today and get right at it. So the free play of the day is we're over on Sleeper Fantasy today. If you guys aren't on Sleeper Fantasy, use the code 907 Fantasy and get signed up over there. They're going to give you a $500 welcome bonus and a DeJounte Murray free square when you sign up using the code 907 Fantasy. So that is Sleeper Fantasy. Let's hop into the play. So we're going Miles Turner under a double-double. He hasn't hit this he's hit this line in 4 of the last 5 games. So he's gone under a double-double in 4 of the last 5. So we're taking the under there. So next up, we're going Cade Cunningham over 1.5 3-pointers made. And then we're going Daniel Gafford over 9.5 points. Gafford's averaging 13 over the last 5. And he's just been on a good little run here for the Mavs. So he's got a match up against Golden State tonight. Hopefully Golden State can keep it close. They're without Steph Curry tonight. So we're taking Gafford over 9.5 points. And then lastly, we're going Nikola Jokic over 24.5 points. This is a finals rematch against the Miami Heat. And Nikola Jokic, he's averaging 30 over the last 5. So I love this play for him. So a quick recap of the free plays. We're going Miles Turner under a double-double. Cade Cunningham over 1.5 3-pointers made. Daniel Gafford over 9.5 points. And then Nikola Jokic over 24.5 points. So that's the free play that I'm playing over on Sleeper Fantasy. And then let's hop over into what we're playing over on Chalkboard. So over on Chalkboard today, if you guys aren't on Chalkboard, use the same code 907 Fantasy. And they're going to give you a $100 welcome bonus when you sign up using that code. But over there today, for all users, you can be new or existing, they're going to give you this Cade Cunningham free square. So he scores 1 point, you win. So we're going Cade Cunningham over 0.5 points. And then we're matching that up with the moneymaker. We're going back to Anthony Davis. We're fading him to not record a 3-pointer tonight. So he hasn't hit one in the last 10 games. And he's just kind of abandoned that from his game. So that's the 2-man that I'm playing over there. You can play up to $10 on that promo. So we put $10 on it to win 20. So we're going to go double our money tonight. So that's the free play over on Chalkboard. And then lastly, over on PrizePicks, you can play this James Harden 3.14 for Pi Day. So his points are set for 3.14. So I think it's like an 83% discount or something like that. But we're going to go over there. We're going to play this free square, basically a free square over on PrizePicks. And that's going to be shared up here on the Winible, Winible.com/907 Fantasy Sports. So if you're going to be telling me on any of these plays today, good luck. Let's go have another big day. Let's go cash it. This Cade Cunningham square is only available until 3 p.m. Eastern time. So make sure to go ahead and get over there right away and get that locked in. So good luck with all your plays today. Let's go cash big. Peace out.